People in the house, are you ready for this? Party people in the house, are you ready for this? Party people in the house, party people in the house, party people, party people, party people, party people in the house.
What do you think about Jamaica? How fabulous is it?
I love Jamaica. I want to live here for the rest of my life. That's how much I love it. My name is Igbego. I'm from New York.
New York?
Yes.
Is this your first time in Jamaica?
Yes. And I love it.
No. So tell us why you're here.
Well, I'm here for downtown Pat Brown.
Hey!
You see what I'm wearing? This is one of her pieces right here. Got me looking sexy.
So I noticed as well, right? The makeup is absolutely flawless.
Yes,
Fabulous.
Let's talk about the makeup. What do you think about the makeup?
I think it's fabulous. It completed this whole ambiance right here.
Oh yeah?
My name is Stacy McNeil.
Oh,
Stacy
McNeil.
McNeil.
Yes, and I'm a freelance makeup artist.
Yeah.
And I've been practicing makeup for about 7 years now. And 5 years professional. And I'm from Jamaica, of course.
Nice.
So you're an island girl.
Yes, I am. I love my Jamaica.
All right.
So as far as makeups, what are some of the bigger credits? Photo shoots, music videos.
Yes, weddings, everything.
She do it all.
TV, commercials.
Okay, so how do the people get in touch with you after they see this fabulous makeup job?
Okay, well, you can contact me on 897-4564. Or can look me up on Facebook, Stacy McNeil. That's STACYMCNEIL.
She's awesome. She's fabulous. This stuff is wicked, and I am really digging the makeup that Stacy did today.
Thank you, Pat.
I'm so glad that she came.
Got the whole city locked, yeah. Impress the girl with the style where we got. She said, you know, like no fussy, make me seem like a flash. Elephant message.